How was your campus life?
Campus life, an job. I am job.
Oh, you have a job?
Yes.
So what's your job? What's your job?
What is job? An individual by the days. The job is individual at the church.
Okay. How did you get to Addis Ababa University? It's your first time, yeah?
First time 20,000 in the beginning. I can Addis Ababa.
Oh.
Because Addis Ababa. At the beginning is the extension. The 2 years 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 6 and 1 2 3 4 6 1 2 3 4 5 the extension.
Yeah.
The extension. Next the regular 16 in the beginning. 21,000.
So it's
21.
So it's the first time to join Addis Ababa University?
Yes.
Oh. So how did you get to the campus?
At the beginning, at the beginning, 21.
Yeah.
ወይም ደግሞ 20 2001 ማለት ነው። the beginning is 21.
Yeah.
2021 was the 21 is the beginning 1 year and next to the first one አንደኛ በመውጣት ሰከንዳሪ 16 ክላስ ከዚያ ቀጥሎ ዘኔከስ 6ኛ ክፍል ጀመረ ኔክስትሊ በእንዘ 13 year graduation.
So how did you see the campus?
The campus is very nice. At the day to day exercise.
Yeah.
Exercise in the church, in the classmates. In the day to day exercise.
Do you think that the Addis Ababa University at graduates more of ethics and like a lot of people of, because there are a lot of people you can don't and they have a lot of weather and they hot. So do you think that is right, people?
Yes.
Yeah.
I am corona is affected very more everything man body was.
Body what?
አጠቃላይ የሰውነት ክፍል
In English please.
At the body.
What's that?
The any this is affected by in economics, in life, in political, in the whole affect. In the whole affect.
What's the meaning of GC? What is the meaning of GC?
GC?
Yeah.
Development country.
GC what? Yeah.
Development country.